Welcome back, everyone. I have best deals for Walgreens for next week. We have 33% off certain candies and other holiday items. So check your stores. Let me know in the comments if you're finished your Christmas shopping or if you're still working on it. We have Ghirardelli's 33% off. If you're making baskets or you need stocking stuffers, keep an eye out. Buy one, get two free on Purex. I'm not sure if the price is going to be like $7.99. I'm assuming it's going to be in that area. So I don't know if we're getting any coupons. $5 for the Olay cleansing melts. Not sure what kind of a coupon we may have to go with that. $5.99 for Persil. Earn $5 when you buy four. I have $2 hang tags. I may do this deal at CVS, though. They have a deal on that. Buy one, get one 50. CoverGirl, cosmetics or beauty tools. Again, any stocking stuffers, things like that, last minute. $3.49 for the Royal Dance cookies. I always like these cookies, and that's a decent price. It's part of the deal of the week at Walgreens. And let me know what deals you like. We have $6.99 for Cottonelle or Viva. I really like the Viva. And so I'm going to see what deals I'm going to do. I'm always looking for clearance when I'm in the stores. I really love to find clearance, deep discounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to get this video out so you could keep an eye out. Leave me a comment down below.